Hey guys, Stavros from Nomadic Supply Company, and today I'm showing you our City Engineering 360 camera always-on programmer for the 2019 Plus Sprinter van. This little device plugs into your OBD2 port down here and allows you to instantly program your 360 camera display on the dashboard to be on whenever you want it on. Currently, Mercedes-Benz has a limitation on the 360 camera, and it comes on in reverse, and then it remains on in drive until you get up to 10 miles an hour, and then the system shuts off the camera. But most of our customers have a requirement that they see when they're towing, or that they see, the sides of the vehicle when they're driving, and there is no way to do that currently without the programmer. So this device allows you to do 3 different options for programming the camera system. Option 1 allows you to keep the camera system as is, so it will come on in reverse, it will stay on up to 10 miles per hour, and then the cameras will shut off like they normally do. But then you can just simply hit the camera button right here on the dashboard, and regardless of the speed that you're driving, the 360 cameras will come back on. That's option 1. Option 2 for programming is that the camera system will always be on. So when you're in reverse and then you put it into drive and you accelerate past 10 miles per hour, instead of the camera system turning off on the display, it will just remain on. And it will remain on basically until you push the camera button on the dashboard to turn it off. And then the third option for programming with this is to restore the whole thing back to factory settings. And you can do any of these programming options anytime you want. So we provide instructions on how to program this on the website. It's extremely simple. There's only 3 options. But essentially, just to give you a quick overview of how it works, you are going to program it by using your directional signal. So if you want option 1, which is have the camera system turn itself off at 10 miles per hour and allow you to turn it on manually with the camera button on the dashboard, you're going to program it with your turn stalk in the default position. So you're just going to leave it as is. If you want the second programming option, which is where the cameras are on all the time until you turn them off, you're going to start the programming process with the turn stalk in the down position, so your left turn signal. The programming process is really quick and easy. Essentially, you have the vehicle turned off. You're going to put it in the down position if you want to program it with that first option, and then you're just going to turn the ignition on, which requires 2 pushes of the button. Once you've done the 2 pushes, you're going to see that the light on the bottom of this thing comes on, and then it's going to turn off, and then you can shut the whole system off and it will be programmed. And then option 2 is the same process, except you left the stock in this position before turning the ignition on. And all of those instructions are read on the product page on our website, and we will provide a link below in the description on where to learn more about this product. Thank you. All right, guys, so step 1, plug in the programmer. The light will come on. Step 2, turn the ignition on by pushing the start engine button twice. And then wait for the light to go off. It's now been programmed.